So I'm having my breakfast and Captain is here. Captain, what do you say? Captain. Tosha. Now I'm dirty. You see what we've done? Look at my hands. After letting it dry under mild heat, I also took it outside so that I can use the solar energy to make it more dry. So as you can see, we have some traces of oil. Look at my finger. So I had to figure out a way that I can squeeze the oil out of the remedies of avocado. So what I did first is scraping off from my holding container, scraping off so that I can collect them, squeeze together. It is evident that you can see some traces of oil from the avocado remedy. So a method of extraction, I used a small cylindrical bottle with some holes on the bottom, and I added a piece of cloth as a filter. Then I'll use a wooden rod to squeeze the oil out of the specimen. So this is how I did it, by placing some of the avocado specimen inside the bottle. Then I squeezed. Actually, it was a very cumbersome procedure, but I had to do it because slowly by slowly I'm learning most efficient way to do this thing. So I was getting some droplets of oil, but it's a very cumbersome and not efficient. So learning, I'll come up with a method that can help me squeeze. And as you can see, we have some traces of oil. So I was able to get some little oil, like 8 centimeter cubic of oil, but I'm learning. So actually it's very possible to get oil from avocado, but the challenge comes, do you have a method of extraction?